Hi everyone, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Green Goblin from Marvel and also in Fortnite. Okay, let's go in there and have a look at the top. Right, the Green Goblin's got quite a big cap on his head, so I'm going to do a line up and around about here. So maybe start about there. Just take the pen and go up and down. Then just do a little angle there. Okay, let's bring that down to about here. So I'm going to take that area there, just bring it down there. That's where his cap is. Let's just pop in a little like arrow at the top here, which is the end of his cap. And then just join these bits up there. Great, okay. Next up, let's pop his ears in. So he's got those goblin type ears that really angle up. So I'm going to do a line up here. And a line up here, and then bring it down like that. Nice, okay, that's cool. Let's look at his cheekbones and his chin. I think his head's probably going to end up about there, so put a little dot there, just put a line in. Okay, let's have a think. His cheeks go from about here down around like that. This side as well, about here, down and around. Cool. That's the main part of his face. It's got quite an angular nose, so I'm going to pop that in here. Let's just do a nose area. That's another like arrowhead, bit more angled, like that. Cool. Let's just put a line on it there. And then let's do his brows and eyes. So I'm going to angle it down, give him some evil looking brows. This side and this side. Just pop two little areas there. And then just going to do where his eyes are, little semicircles within there, and just fill the center in with black. Nice, okay. Let's do his mouth. So he's got a bit of an evil laugh and a smirk on his face. So just where the nose is here, just going to do a line up. Same on the other side, little line up. Then line down, and then join that up there. Got like crazy teeth as well. So I'm going to put some lines in like so. And then I'm just going to fill the middle area in. It looks like he's got those crazy teeth. Just going to put a couple of angles underneath the eyes. And just to make him a little bit even more evil, just going to do a little bit on the brow there, Nice. Just in the ear area, let's just put a bit of detail in. And then maybe also just on the hat area. Like so. Okay, cool, that's looking good. Right, next up, let's look at his shoulder areas. So, just gonna draw out where his top part of his shoulder is here. Here, then he's got quite big shoulder arms, shoulders going on. So what I'm going to do is just draw those out like that, a bit of a semicircle. Same again, bit of a semicircle there. Cool. Next up, let's have a think about his torso area. So he's got some plated armor on, so that's going to be sort of here to here. So I'm just going to draw in a line first of all, from the top of the shoulder down, and here from the top of the shoulder down. Next up, just where his shoulder is as well, just do another line in there, and another line and join it up there. Great, okay. Just by the shoulder again, put a line in here, and his armour, just going to put a point just below the chin there. Let's just join that up. Two straight lines. Great, okay. Now we know where his chest area is. Just going to put that detail in of his armour. So I'm going to put a line in here, and that does join up in the middle. So I'm just going to do a line straight up here. There's also a little bit of detail as well. So I'm going to put another line there, either side of the centre part. And then we're just going to draw this line up to the edge there. And another line there. A couple of bits of detail. And then also here, I'm going to put 2 lines here, 2 lines here. Nice, okay. Now we've got that shoulder area in, I'm just going to finish it off. So we know where that ends about here. So let's just continue the circle arc around, and here, continue that circle around there. Nice, okay. Let's put his torso in. So, torso area, again, it's more armor. So what I can do is just do like a tapered area down to 2 lines. So 1 line here and 1 line here. And then that finishes off with a belt. So I'm going to put a square at the bottom here. That shows where his belt is. Again, he's got a couple of pockets and things. So I'm going to put another square here and another squared area there. Let's just join those up with some lines to make the belt area. Nice, okay. So now we know where the tapered area of his torso is and where his armor goes as well. So what I can do is just join those pieces up. So just where the edge of the belt is there, I'm just going to do an angle there and an angle there. Now he's got some detail on the armor that kind of shows his abs. So I'm going to put a line in here and a couple of lines in there, and again a couple here. And let's just do some straight lines to join those up. Great, okay. Alright, next up, he's got like green plated armor where his top part of his arms or area is. So I'm going to do 2 straight lines here, and the shoulder here, 2 straight lines, like so. Okay. Let's do the lower part of his arms. So he's got some purpley armor on his arms here. So what I'm going to do is just join this up here and his here. And then I'm going to draw his forearm area going down to about there. Same here, just a straight line. And he's got a big piece of armor on it. So I'm just going to move that up here and around and then down like so. The same on this side, up and around and down. Cool. Let's just put his hands in. So I'm going to draw his thumb like so, and then just going to put his fingers in there. He's got a purple area of his glove on, so I'm just going to join those bits up there to show the glove off. I'm going to do the same thing here. So again, just draw a glove there, and then some fingers in around, and then just join those up like so. Nice, okay. Let's do his feet area now and his legs. So he's got armor at the top parts of his legs. So I'm going to do a line, so I'll start about here. Let's do a line to about there, and a line to about there. Nice, and we can put his armor in. So we're just going to do a bit of curved arc just around to about there. Same thing here, just around like so. He's got knee pads on, so I'm going to do 2 oblong circles. 1, 2. Just in the middle. Now he knows where they are. We know where the armor is here. So what I can do now is join up from this part of the semicircle and up. So this can go up to that pocket there. Same thing here, just go straight up here. Nice, okay. Now it's got quite purpley boots on. So I'm going to do from this knee area, let's do a line straight like this, and another line here straight like that, and from this kneecap down here, this one as well, down like so. Great, okay. I'm going to do his little pointy boots, so I'm going to move out here, around, just do his heel, down there, and we'll do the other side as well. So I'm going to do a line out around like that, down, around underneath, and then his heel there. Nice, let's put him on a bit of a rocky background, I think. Nice, okay. Let's look at some detail now. So we put a little bit here in the armor, which is great. In the shoulder area here, he's got a kind of metallic shoulder boulder going on, and it's kind of crisscross. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some lines with a slight curve in, 1, 2, 3, and on this side as well, 1, 2, 3. Then let's join these up on the other way around, so we've got a bit of a hatch going on. So 1, 2, 3, and on this side as well, 1, 2, 3. Nice, okay. His green armor at the top part of his arms. Let's just do a line down here, and a line down here, and then we'll show that sort of green goblin armor off. So I'm going to do 2 lines here, and 2 lines here. Now these purpley bits on his forearms are kind of strapped up, so I'm going to do the line there to strap it up, maybe join it up there and here as well, and then another line there. This part here then we can colour in just black. Same here, this part here and this part here. I also think around his neck area he's sort of got, I could just put 2 curves in like so, like that. The rest of it we can just colour in black. Just around his eyes at the top here as well, I'm just going to colour those in a bit more black, just to show he's a little bit more menacing as well. Alright, nice. Now by his legs here he's got straps as well, so I'm going to just put some lines in there. Then we can colour in these parts of the legs and here as well, so colour in those bits. These 2 areas here we can colour in. Nice, okay. And these kneecaps, again, we've got little sort of cross-hatch areas, they're metallic. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's cool. And then his boots, we can do just some lines across them to show off those. And then I think he's got like a curve angle going on there. Maybe we'll just join that up to just here, show that off. And then he's got this green area here, and that can be shown by just putting some lines in, like so. And I think it's kind of the same sort of thing here as well. So we can just go across here and do some curved lines in like that. Okay, that looks good. Just going to do another little square in there, and then I'm going to do some circles behind, because that's where his pumpkin bombs are going to be. There we go, it's got a few pumpkin bombs just on his belt there. Right, let's colour him in. Let's get a nice green colour for the goblin's face. Let's colour that in. Just leave a little bit on this side. Green face, then also this armour here. Just going to leave a little bit of light popping because it's quite metallic. So I'm just going to leave a bit on the edges. Cool, and then his legs. Again, maybe we'll just leave some little bits on the edges just to show it's reflective. Nice, okay. So next up, let's get a purple colour. Let's do his hat. So I'm just going to colour this in. Nice deep purple for the Green Goblin. Nice, okay. Let's colour the main part in here. Again, I'm just leaving a little bit on the edges just to show it's reflective. So maybe I'll colour in around here, just leave some little bits of white just to show it's quite a metallic kind of thing. Nice, okay. Next up, these arm areas. So again, maybe colour it in like so. Colour those hand areas in. I think his fingers are actually green, so I'm just going to go back to the green. Open those green fingers there. Nice, okay. His boots, colour those in. Again, I'm just going to leave a little bit of light to pop. Nice, okay. So next up, I'm just going to get a light grey. Let's colour in his shoulder area. So just around here, light grey. Fill those areas in. And also I think here, and this area here, that's grey and silver, and also in this part of his belt. And his knee area, let's colour that in, just leaving again a little bit of white to pop. Nice, let's get a bit of a darker grey now. Just go around the very edges, just to sort of highlight. It's quite a metallic. Same here, and here. All right, nice. Let's get a brown colour. And he's got a bit of a backpack on, I think, so let's colour this strap in here. Same goes here. I'm going to colour this bit in brown as well around his neck. And then these parts of his belt can be brown. Then all the other strap areas as well that we've got, that can be brown as well. Nice, okay. Right, I'm just going to get a yellow colour. Let's pop that in for his eyes. Show those off. And then these pumpkin bombs, I'm just going to do a bit of yellow around the edges here. And then I'm going to get the classic orangey colour for the Green Goblin. That's more like it. That's good. Let's just pop in that same colour there for the background, just to give the rest of them a bit of a pop. Nice, okay. And that is Green Goblin on Art Draw. Thanks for watching, everyone.